Hey there! Welcome back to Earn Money YouTube channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you making money on Pinterest. If you're looking to turn your pins into profit, stick around because we're diving into the world of passive income through Pinterest. Let's get started. Number 1. Setting the foundation before we jump into the strategies. Let's lay down the groundwork. Pinterest is a powerful visual search engine that's not just about sharing ideas. It's also a goldmine for potential income. The first step is to set up a business account on Pinterest. This gives you access to valuable analytics and other tools. Number 2. Creating compelling pins. Compelling pins are the key to attracting an audience. Your pins should be visually appealing, relevant to your niche, and designed with a clear call to action. Make use of high-quality images, bold text overlays, and vibrant colors to stand out in the sea of pins. Number 3. Be a strong profile. Your profile is like your digital storefront. Optimize it by using keywords relevant to your niche in your username, profile description, and board names. Create boards that resonate with your target audience's interests and start pinning regularly to keep your profile active. Number 4. Leveraging affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn a commission by promoting products you love. Join affiliate programs that align with your niche and create pins that subtly showcase these products. Remember, authenticity is key. Only promote what you genuinely believe in. Number 5. Selling your own products. If you have your own products, Pinterest can be an excellent platform to showcase and sell them. Create product-specific pins that highlight the benefits and features. Link these pins directly to your online store or sales page for a seamless shopping experience. Number 6. Promoted pins and Pinterest ads. Want to boost your reach? Consider using promoted pins and Pinterest ads. These paid options allow you to target specific demographics and reach a broader audience, increasing the visibility of your pins and potentially driving more sales. Number 7. Engaging with your audience. Engagement is crucial on any platform. Respond to comments on your pins, interact with your followers, and join group boards in your niche to expand your reach. Building a strong relationship with your audience can lead to more loyal followers and potential customers. Number 8. Tracking and optimizing. Continuously improve your Pinterest strategy. Make use of Pinterest analytics. Keep an eye on which pins are performing well and identify trends. Adjust your approach accordingly to maximize your earnings over time. And there you have it. A roadmap to turning your Pinterest presence into a profitable venture. Remember, patience and consistency are key. As you implement these strategies, you'll be well on your way to generating passive income through Pinterest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and happy pinning.